There are several prerequisites that must exist for you to be able to access SIS from parts.cat.com. First, you must register and create an online account on parts.cat.com. Second, your local dealer will need to connect your online account with your dealer account. Please allow your dealer a day to do this. Finally, you must be logged into the parts.cat.com site. To access SIS, click the SIS link in the top navigation. SIS allows you to view digital parts books, 3D technical drawings, and other information about your machine or engine. In order to view 3D graphics, make sure you have downloaded the first 3 plugins from the Download section. Also, 3D graphics are only compatible with Internet Explorer. At any time, you can click Return to parts.cat.com in the top right corner to exit SIS. To start your search, you'll need to enter the serial number or 3-digit prefix of your equipment, or select a serial number from the drop-down menu. There are several different ways to search for parts in SIS. Select Filter Search to view all the filters on your machine. Type in a keyword such as battery to view the batteries on your machine, or you can select as shipped to view all the parts on the machine as it was shipped from the factory. After navigating through SIS to arrive at the appropriate parts list, you can select the desired parts and quantities needed for your maintenance task. Clicking the Add to Shopping Cart button allows you to add these parts to your SIS shopping cart and continue looking for additional parts within SIS. Clicking the Order Parts button will automatically transfer you back to parts.cat.com. The selected parts from SIS will be added to the Quick Order page of parts.cat.com. Click the Add to Cart and Checkout button to order the parts from your local dealer.